Hello, in this video I will tell you about a simplified method for the synthesis of trimethyl citrate from my subscriber and member of the Science Madness forum with the nickname Waffles. The previous method from the patent did not appeal to me due to its laboriousness. It required boiling the mixture of citric acid and methanol 5 times with the addition of p-toluene sulfonic acid, and distilling off the methanol 5 times, which took almost a week. Waffles method allows this to be done in one day with a yield of around 70%. So, you need to add 105 grams of citric acid to 80 grams of methanol and add 57 grams of concentrated sulfuric acid. Then boil for 6 hours. After 40 minutes of boiling, a precipitate may form. This is an intermediate product, most likely dimethyl citrate, which will dissolve later upon continued boiling. After boiling, the mixture should be placed in the refrigerator overnight for the crystallization of trimethyl citrate. Unfortunately, the trimethyl citrate that precipitates is not pure. If you just filter it and wash it with water, the yield will be about 80%, but the product will also contain a significant amount of dimethyl ester. You need to filter the product and wash it with 50 milliliters of cold water. Then I stirred the trimethyl citrate with 100 milliliters of cold water and slowly began adding an ammonia solution. During this process, the sulfuric acid is first neutralized and then the dimethyl ester begins to dissolve. The dimethyl ester dissolves in ammonia quite quickly, but not instantly, so ammonia should be added slowly until the solution becomes consistently alkaline. After this, the pure trimethyl citrate can be filtered. In the flask, you can see how the dimethyl ester of citric acid precipitates from filtrate upon acidification. Next, you need to wash it with 30 milliliters of water. During washing, you should use as little water as possible because trimethyl citrate dissolves in it. Also, do not leave the trimethyl citrate in the solution with excess ammonia for too long, as the ammonia will start reacting with it. The yield of trimethyl citrate using this method was 83 grams or 71%, which is slightly less than the patent method, but this method is much faster. Thank you, Waffles, for sharing it with me. That's all for today. I suggest joining my Telegram channel via the link in the description, where I will post updates a little earlier than I release the video. Also, support my channel on Buy Me a Coffee. Goodbye.